In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you're trying to focus, present, or just want a little quiet time without chats and alerts popping up, this quick walkthrough will help you silence everything in a clean, reliable way. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The process is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed in and on the main Teams screen so you can access your account menu. Next, look to the top right corner of Teams and click your profile picture. If you don't have a photo set, you'll see your initials in a small circle. This menu is your personal hub for preferences and account controls, and it's where all the notification options live. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a dedicated window or panel with several categories down the side. Settings is where you manage how Teams looks, sounds, and behaves, so it's the right place to tame alerts. Inside Settings, click Notifications and Activity. Depending on your version, it may simply say Notifications, but the idea is the same. You're entering the central area that governs banners, sounds, and alert behavior across chats, channels, meetings, and more. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with what's there, but we're going straight to the global control. For all notifications, turn on Mute All Notifications. This is the master switch that quiets Teams in one move. When you enable it, Teams stops sending notification banners and sounds, and it pauses activity alerts so you aren't interrupted. Nothing is deleted. You can still check your chats, channels, and the activity feed whenever you're ready, but the constant pings and pop-ups will stop while this is on. A few quick tips to make the most of this setting. Use Mute All Notifications when you need deep focus, when you're sharing your screen, or if you're working during quiet hours. Remember that muting simply changes how alerts surface. Your messages and mentions will still be waiting for you to review on your own schedule. If your interface looks a little different, that's normal. Teams updates frequently. Just stay within Settings and the Notifications or Notifications and Activity section to find the same toggle. When you're ready to receive alerts again, return to the same place and switch Mute All Notifications off. That's all it takes. With this simple adjustment, you control when Teams speaks up and when it stays silent, so you can work the way you want without distractions.